Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replay a disappearing photo on Instagram. So for that, what you need to do is get into your Instagram and get to messages. That would be by tapping at the right upper corner of your screen where text are. And once you get there, you need to send someone a message. So what you need to do is go over here and write something or send in something in a disappearing message, and that can be something like some this thing, and add up a heart in here. And just once you'll send it and allow replay, that person would be able to replay a disappearing photo on. But once you select the view once, it would be appearing only once, and you can only replay or re-see that picture if you have taken the a screenshot. And if you've taken a screenshot of that, the other person who has sent you that disappearing message would eventually know that you have taken a screenshot. So if you have sent somebody allow replay and you have sent in that disappearing message to somebody, all you need to do is wait for that message to be sent. And once it is sent, just open up that account, and I would simply get into it. I'll open it up and I'll see that this is it. And once I've opened that, I can again open it up. So this is how you replay a disappearing message. But after that, I cannot see it. If I want to react to it, I can hold on to it and I can react. So this is how you replay a disappearing photo on Instagram. And if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.